Hey guys! This is a chocolate homemade ice cream, my whole family's absolute favorite. And it's made with just 3 ingredients. Yep! Today I'm making exactly half the usual recipe, so everything's cut in half, and it will give you 10 full-size waffle cones. We start by melting the chocolate. I'm using 100 grams of dark chocolate, about 3.5 ounces. Next, I grab the condensed milk. This is just a regular can, about 340 grams, 12 ounces. Pour it into a bowl and add the melted chocolate to it. Mix it really well until smooth. While that's glowing down, I whip up the cold heavy cream. Half a liter, 33% fat, that's about 2 cups or 17 fluid ounces. Quick tip, the cream has to be straight out of the fridge, ice cold. I even stick my whisk in the freezer, so it's nice and cold too. That helps the cream whip up better. Whip it until you get stiff peaks. Make sure the chocolate condensed milk mixture has completely cooled down. If it's still warm, it'll deflate your whipped cream. Fold the cooled mixture into the whipped cream, gently but thoroughly, until fully combined. What you get is the silkiest chocolate mousse. Honestly, you could eat it just like this, no freezing needed, as a dessert on its own. Next, I transfer the mixture into a piping bag and fill the waffle cones. Sprinkle some grated milk chocolate on top if you like. Pop them in the freezer for at least 2 hours. By the way, drop a comment and let me know, what city are you watching from? I'm genuinely curious where you all are. This ice cream is so good, it's gone in like 2 days. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna make this, and if you already have, tell me how it went. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.